All right, we are touring our room, 6511 in the Key West Village. This is a 2-bedroom concierge. Let's get in here and check it out. So one thing that's nice about this room in particular is that you walk in off the first floor. A lot of other rooms that we've been in, you have to walk upstairs to enter, and the stairs can be steep and difficult for some members of the party. So first over here, we have a really nice dining area, alcove and chest. Then we have the living room with a sleeper sofa. You've got a nice big flat screen television, a bar that looks into the kitchen. This is our view. We look out onto the courtyard in front of Neptune's and Sky. Great view. And then the kitchen is absolutely enormous. And of course, we won't use it much because there's 21 restaurants on property, but it is nice to have it in the event that you should need it. You've got a sink, stove, oven, microwave, fridge and freezer. And then one of the best things about these rooms is they have a washer and a dryer. So if you'd like to do some laundry while you're here, if you needed to clean things, you can, which is always nice. I'm gonna give you guys another view of the living room right there. I'll go slow for our folks who get motion sick. These are utility closets, and this is the primary bedroom. We've got primary bathroom here with a shower and tub, mirror, and we've got the bedroom back here with gorgeous views and a nice big closet. Sounds like we're getting a phone call. Let's see what's in here, guys. Well, I don't think I can get it open. More storage. And here is the second bathroom. So we've got 2 full baths. This one, however, does not have a tub. It's only a shower, plenty of storage back there. And then here is the second bedroom. So lots of nice, beautiful light, a big flat screen, sorry for the bump there, and a full-length mirror. So that is the room tour of the 2-bedroom concierge Key West Village.